YouTube, take two. It is now 10:35 in the AM. .50 degrees outside, quite breezy. Going up to a high of 66. Microphones crapped out in the first video, so charged them. Try it again. Grab your cup of joe, let's go. Friday. Red shirt. Friday. Remember, everybody deployed. Because of them, we get to do this. Had about, I think, 20, 25 of the little boogers last night. Little yard monkeys come by to beg. Nothing to, no costumes to write home about. You know, nobody, I don't know. It ain't what it used to be. Used to be this neighborhood was, I mean, hundreds. Not anymore. Mom's in getting ready. Allison, my first wife, had to work part of the day. Then she'll be down to take off and head to Somerset, Pennsylvania. Actually, they're going to a borough of Blau, which I guess it's like a township. I don't know. Pennsylvania is weird. Oh, so I get 2.5 days of peace and quiet. Looking forward to that. Except for later tonight, Rita, my sister, who's not my sister, she'll be stopping over to get pumpkin rolls out of our freezer because they have some kind of craft show, something going on. I don't know. Rita's always on the run. So, other than that, it's going to be a pretty low-key weekend. I'm going to enjoy it. Going to savor every moment of peace and quiet because it doesn't happen too often. What are you going to do? Nope. I'll probably, order out because, I ain't cooking for just me. Having to, wash the skillets and crap like that if I don't have to. So, weather's not too bad considering a year ago we had snow on the ground. So I'm not complaining. So, oh well. Leaves. They're coming down with the wind. They're all blowing in the garage. I blow them back out. They blow back in. Not so not so really windy today, so I might be able to get them out and keep them out this time. What day? Wednesday is the day that landscaper comes and sucks up all the leaves, and hopefully he gets here in time for the lawn waste people to show up and pick them up. 2 weeks ago he was late, couldn't get him, and they ended up sitting out here for a week. So, yeah, nothing other than that. There ain't nothing happening today. Just chilling. There's a great Meerschaum collection that Piper Dave scored. Man, that was a great deal. I haven't been on the eBay and I don't know, a couple 3 years. I got rid of my PayPal account when it got hacked, so I just don't bother with eBay. So used to do pretty good with on eBay uh, selling decanters, the old collectible Jim Beam decanters. But that ran its course, and then we just sold out. Sent them all to auction. Yeah, things we do to make extra cash. Well, I'm going to. Well, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to call this video done. Might be back later. Then again, might not. Don't count on it, or count on it as a bonus. Yeah, there we go. Hope you're well. Hope you're safe. Every day's a school day. If you're not learning, you're being left behind. Go make it a great day. And I will see y'all next time. Wake up.